3 and 2. Here's a mini squat. You bend, pop up, bend, pop up, bend, pop up. Good. Nice. Okay, arms are coming to a front and then a lateral. Watch me first and then join me, everybody. We're going up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Here's up. Here's out. Here's up. Here's out. Arms. There you go. Front raise, lateral raise. Front, lateral.
Pamamasid at tusok-tusok. Thank you.
2, 1. Walk, 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 walk. We're always walking. Wow. Always walking. That's what I love. Raise them up high, guys. Reach all the way through the fingertips. Real strong. Keep those feet walking strong. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Side steps coming back. Ready? Side step right here. Here we go. Out together, out together. Heels to the front, coming up. Nice. I love it. Energy. You still got that good energy, guys. Good. Now, here comes the heel, everybody. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel. 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 A little rotation. Arms come around. There you go. Arms come around. They give you balance, but they also help that waistline. Get in there. Come on. We really do. You know what? Listen, one of the most important things we do for our good health is keep our waistline trim. Listen, that's the dangerous area. When you're gaining weight and there's extra weight in the middle, that's the stuff that can get our health really out of control. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Belly fat complicates every condition. Oh, I hate to say it like that. Ooh, it sounds so serious, but you know it really is. If we can just reduce a little bit into the waist, your health can improve dramatically. Burning a lot of calories does it. Sculpting, using strength, it does it. We're doing it all today. I love it. Walk, everybody, to the beat. It's a fast pace, 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 pace. It's walk, 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 walk. Knee lifts. 4 and 3 and 2. Knee lifts to end like this. Knees up. Knees up. Just stay tall. Stay tall. Stay tall, everybody. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Nice job. Heel down. Ready? Just the heels like this. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. That's it. You got to get that. Breathing back to normal. 4 and 3 and 2. Walk, walk, walk. Again, walk and walk. Nice. Easy, guys. 4 and 3. Little wee side steps, not real big. Keep it easy. Breathing has to come back to normal. Heart rate comes back to where it was in the beginning. So that's called a recovery. That's your goal, is to recover quick. Fit people do recover quick. If you're a beginner, don't worry. It's going to happen to you. Your heart rate is going to come down quick. Your breathing comes back to normal at the end of the workouts as you get more fit. Don't you worry. Be patient with yourself. All you got to do is keep showing up. Believe me, that's what we did. And that's how you get to the point where you feel strong and you get to work out.
15 pag walang naman.
10.
Walk, 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 walk.
Pag meron 35 na.
Every minute that you challenge your body, I promise you, it brings you back health results for your life that are so precious. Your health is everything. Easy walk. 4. Little kicks, guys. Ready? Just kick right here. We kick and kick and kick and kick. Here's 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4 and 3 and 2. Easy walk right here. Easy. Good. Heart rate back down.
Tapos na mo.